if you are a Manchester United fan who love team so much, then I think you may have to follow him to another club, because just a breaking one, Eric Ten Hag has been sacked by Manchester United, and club statement confirms via their official media let-out. Now this is it. A club statement from Manchester United states it clear. Eric Ten Hag has left his role as Manchester United men's first team manager. Eric was appointed in April 2022 and led the club to 2 domestic trophies, winning the Carabao Cup in 2023 and the FA Cup in 2024. We are grateful to Eric for everything he has done during his time with us and wish him well for the future. Ruud van Nistelrooy will take charge of the team as interim head coach, supported by the current coaching team. Wales, a permanent head coach, is recruited. So currently Manchester United are looking for a permanent head coach to replace Eric Ten Hag. Now let's take a look at the last words that he made. That is after the defeat to West Ham 2-1.
In this moment, definitely the luck is not on my side. It's not about me. It's about the team, and it's not on our side. And last season was not different, but in the end we turned this around, and we are so determined it will be the same case today. But yeah, we have to turn this around, and it will turn around if we keep playing like we are playing now. We see in this block Brentford, Fenerbahce today. We play really good football.
Your team is missing chances across multiple players. How do you correct it for next game?
I don't think it's about correct it. It's about give them the trust, and I believe in my players that they are capable of doing this. So yeah, I trust them, and I will encourage them to keep going and to keep doing the same things we did over a long period in this game and in other games, because finally we will go at net and kill, and we will win more games.
Your question is a chance for creating more chances or being better at converting?
I think both. Always we need a better conversion, and we are looking for creating more chances, because both will give you a higher opportunity to win again.
What's the mood like in the dressing room now? Is it out of anger, or is it just a total disbelief how you managed to lose?
No, not disbelief, definitely. It's about
disbelief with the decision and the fact that,
of course it's mixed feelings, but as I say, first that is what my players do always and what I do always. First we look in the mirror. What have we do wrong? And the only thing what I can criticize the team for is missing the chances. And that was, say, the main factor. But then, of course, and that's clear and obvious. And the decision making by the refereeing today had a big impact on the score of this game.
Okay, we're going to stop there. We're going to take a few questions for our Carabao Cup game.
So the sacking of Eric Ten Hag does not come as a surprise, since his statistic is very clear. He had just 11 points in 9 games. He had just 4 wins in 14 games, and then he is 14th in the Premier League and 21st in the Europa League, and such a ugly season for a very big club like Manchester United heading into this festive season. I mean, the Christmas and New Year celebration is coming around the corner, and Manchester United cannot be seen in the first page. This is so ugly. Manchester United's problem basically comes from players. Manchester United doesn't have very good players. This argument has been going on for so long. Many football fans, they don't agree this, but Mourinho one time wanted to sell almost all the squad of Manchester United and buy new ones. But the fans in UK and the management blocked him. Eric Ten Hag came with the same plan this season and he was also blocked. Now, this is the result. Big coaches comes to Man United, fails. Big players comes to Man United, fails. Since Ferguson left, Manchester United has turned into a laughing stock, and this is not a good thing for the fans of Manchester United. Thank you.